Dear students, do subscribe the Vyoma Academy channel to get an excellent information, analysis, job notifications and motivational videos. And to get more updates from our channel, click the bell icon.
Quickly to the second model. The second model looks like this. Let us go with an example. At what time between some so and so time, again let us take 8 and 9 o'clock, the two hands are in straight line but opposite in direction, this is the second model. Previously also in straight line, but here the condition is what, in opposite direction. You can see, quickly visualize the situation like this. This is the short hand, this will be the long hand. Previously they were in the same direction, but of course this also in same straight line. So you can also understand the angular is, you can also understand this 180 degree separation. The two hands are separated by how much angle? 180 degree separation. Or you can also understand how much separation? 30 minute separation. The separation also 30 minutes. The question can be asked either this way or this way or this way. The answer will be same once you understand this. Now let me quickly tell you the answer, the solution for this question. This is in the same line with the previous model. So that means what is the first step? Imagine what? See here. Here the condition is opposite in direction, therefore you must think of the long hand coming opposite to the short hand. So which number is opposite to 8? 2. Therefore now you decide how many minutes it is coming forward. It has to come forward so that the two hands will be in same straight line at 180 degrees, right? Therefore how many minutes it is coming forward? 10 minutes into 12 by 11. So therefore 120 by 11, 11 10 ja 110, 10 remains 10 by 11. So the answer is now 8 o'clock 10 by 11 minutes, or you can say 10 by 11 minutes past 8. So very similar way we did the answer, okay, compared to the previous model. Now let me explain one more model so that you will understand this one. Everything is same. At what time between, I just change the timing here, 9 and 10 o'clock, everything is same, in same straight line but opposite in direction. Everything is same, only the change is here in between 9 and 10. So as usual you have to imagine what? The starting time you imagine always 9 you imagine. So it should come all the way for the meeting, but here not the meeting. The question is what? Straight opposite. On what number it should come so that it will be straight? You can, what is the number opposite to 9? That is a 3. Opposite 9 is 3. Therefore you should come only 15 minutes forward, isn't it? So that the two hands will be in opposite direction. So 15 into 12 by 11. This 12 by 11 is again same as before. That's a shortcut technique. 180 by 11. 11 1 11, 7 remains, 6 ja. You just simplify this on your own. You check it out, right? 16 4 by 11. So the answer now is 9 o'clock 16 4 by 11 minutes, or you can say 16 4 by 11 minutes past, you can say 9. So there are answers. Now you can say every 1 hour, you can observe in every 1 hour time, either 8 and 9 or 9 and 10, we got only one answer. So you can conclude like this: in every 1 hour time, in every 1 hour interval, the two hands are straight and opposite for only as before. The conclusion is same for only one time, because we got only one answers in every 1 hour time, so therefore one time. But if you follow the same logic, the conclusion should be in every 12 hours interval, two hands are straight opposite for how many times? it should be 12 if you follow the same logic, but this is wrong. So let us prove where it goes wrong, why it is wrong. So let us get into to prove that. Let me tell you the third example for this. Okay. So let me write the question. At what time between everything same? Let me take find 6 o'clock. Two hands are straight and opposite. Straight and opposite. So as usual, what you have to imagine here? You have to imagine initial time, that is 5. Initial time 5, you have to imagine. Okay. Now you decide on what number the long hand should move to, so that they will be like this. So you check yourself on what number it has to move. Opposite number to 5 is, naturally you just think over it, it's 11. So therefore it should move all the way to 11. That means 55 minutes it should go forward, so that these are opposite in straight line. So next technique is same, 660 by 11, so 60 minutes, therefore 5 o'clock 60 minutes, or you can say exactly 6 o'clock. That's the point, exactly 6, not in between. Just understand, not in between 5 and 6, but exactly on 6. That means if you follow these two examples, what you can conclude is, in between 5 and 7 there is 6 here. According to the extended conclusion of this logic, there should be 2 timings here, 5 and 7. But here we didn't get any answer between 5 and 6, and we got exactly on 6 and no answer in between 6 and 7. So we got one chance missing here, right? Instead of twice, we got only one. Therefore, overall one chance is lost. Therefore, here 11 times. Okay, 11 times. Similarly, you can extend the same one in every 24 hours day. In every day, 2 hands are in straight and opposite, are in straight line, but opposite in direction. How many times? You can extend that 11 and 11, 22 times. So this is the conclusion for the, you can make, these are important conclusions of the second model, right? So let me have a quick recap here. The model is what? The model is meant for finding a time so that the 2 hands are exactly straight and opposite. That's the question. Timings are mentioned variously, 8 and 9, 9 and 10, and something like 5 and 6. What's the method now? The method is imagine the beginning time, imagine the picture. You need not draw the picture. If you are getting some perfection, you can mentally imagine the picture. That's the importance here, right? So anyway, in the beginning you can draw the picture like this, but as you practice more and more, you can just go by the mental mapping there. So 8 is the given question. I imagine 8. Quickly let me tell you, opposite 8 you have to choose 2. How many minutes should you come forward? 10, and the technique is 12 by 11. See, find 6, imagine 5, opposite to 5 is how much? 11, 55 you imagine. Here between 9 and 10, imagine 9 o'clock, opposite number is 3, so 15 minutes. Finish the simplification, and the conclusions are every 1 hour the 2 are straight opposite for 1 time, 12 hours, not 12 but 11. I have given the example here for the proof, and in a day how many times? 22 times. Okay. So this is the second model, and let me tell you the third model, almost similar to this, almost, right? The technique is same, the shortcut technique is same. Okay. So let me tell you the third model now. The third model is like this. So let me go with an example, by an example. At what time between, the question is like this, at what time between so and so given time, for example, find 6 o'clock, 2 hands are at right angles. So right angles means you can imagine the position of the hands. For example, for a given position of the short hand, So this is a shorthand position. For a given position of shorthand, either 90 right angle means either can be like this or it can be like this. That means this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side of the shorthand. So therefore, immediately you have to understand by this picture, for every position of the shorthand, for every given position of the shorthand, there are two positions for the long hand, so that the two hands are at right angles. Let me repeat again. For every position of the shorthand given, there are two positions for the long hand, so that they are at right angle. That means in every 1 hour interval we will get the two answers. That means between 5 and 6 we will get this answer and this answer also, isn't it? That means you will get a left answer, you will get a right side answer also. So previously in every 1 hour, in the two models, let me repeat, the first one was what? They are together meet. Even then we got every 1 hour only one time. Second model is what? They are straight and opposite. Even then we got only in every 1 hour only one answer. But here you can expect in between every 1 hour there are two positions I am showing in the picture. Therefore you can expect two answers in every 1 hour interval. Okay. So keeping that in mind, right angles means one more thing is, how many minutes separation here? 15 minutes separation. How many minutes separation there? 15 minutes separation. Okay. Now let me explain you in a very clear manner. So as usual, imagine what? Imagine what? 5 o'clock. So imagine 5 o'clock here. Imagine 5. So what's the separation now here? Already in the existing diagram, 25 minutes is the separation, okay? But we want only 15 minutes separation. So therefore, if it comes now, you can imagine already 25 is there. If it comes 10 minutes, there are 15 minutes separation here. That means it has to move 10 minutes, right? Or this will be the left side answer. Or it should come all the way and then move 15 minutes, then also there is 15 minutes separation, okay? But instead of worrying all this, I will tell you the simple technique. The first answer is already how much is there? 25 is there. But how many minutes separation should be there? Left side means minus 15. So this is the left side answer, this diagram. And the right side answer is what? Right side answer is what? Left side answer. 25 is there already plus 15 minutes. That's it. Why 15? Because the right angle means 15. Why the 25? Because in the question 5 o'clock is there, that is 25. Remember that. So now this is 10 minutes we got, then the technique is same into 12 by 11. Here 40 into technique is what? 12 by 11 again. Simplify, you will get the two answers. 11 10 ja. So 10 10 by 11. You simplify at your own pace. 44, 33, 7 remains. So 43 7 by 11. That means we got two answers now. That's the point here. That means one is left side answer, other one is what? Right side answer. So therefore you can say the two answers are like this: 5 o'clock, 10 10 by 11 minutes, and is important, and also there is another time there, 43 7 by 11 minutes. So two times we get right angles. So immediately you can make the conclusion here. In every 1 hour, two hands are at right angles. For how many times? For 2 times. Now the question, if you go along the same line in every 12 hours, if you go along the same lining, two hands are at right angles for how many times? What will answer? For 12 2 are 24 times. If you answer this, you are mistaken. Right? So before proving this, let me explain you one more model, this, and then let us go to that proof there. Why not 24? Let me give you one more example here. Example 2. At what time? Everything I will keep it same, but only the timing I will change. For example, 6 and 7 o'clock, two hands are at right angles. So imagine what, so just see the example as I explained before. Imagine what 6, imagine 6. So how much separation is there? So far 30 minutes separation is there. Only you need to know the existing separation, then minus 15 gives the left answer and plus 15 gives the right answer. That's it. 2 answers you will get. So if you simplify, why minus 15 I said here? Because right angle means what? 15 minutes separation. So therefore 30 minus 15 is 15. The technique is saying 12 by 11, 45 into 12 by 11. So how much you will get is 180 by 11. So you will get one answer 16 by 16 4 by 11. This is 540 by 11. 11 4 ja 44, 9 ja 99, 1 remains. So what are the 2 answers here? One answer is 6 o'clock, 16 4 by 11, and the other answer is what? 6 o'clock, 49 1 by 11 minutes. So these are the 2 timings we will get again at right angles. So this is just an example, follow-up example for that model, and let me prove here why not 24 with the third example, with the help of the third example. Okay. So only I will change the timing here. At what time between? Let me tell you here, 8 and 9 o'clock. The 2 hands are at right angles. 2 hands are at right angles. So the solution is similar. Imagine what 8 o'clock, 8, imagine. So what is the existing separation now? 40 minutes. Existing separation is 40 minutes. So the 2 answer, left side answer what you do? Minus 15. Right side answer what you do? Plus 15, isn't it? So 40 minus 15, how much you will get here? 25 into 12 by 11. So what you will get is 300 by 11. Let me simplify this. 27 3 by 11 minutes, the first answer, right? You can check the solution there later on, right? But just observe what we are doing. 55 into 12 by 11. So what you will get here? 660 by 11. So the second answer you observe carefully. The first answer let me write 8 o'clock, 27 3 by 11 minutes, and the next answer is exactly 9 o'clock. 5 o'clock 60 minutes we got. 5 o'clock 60 minutes means exactly 9. See now what you are expecting here in between the 8 and 10. In between the 8 and 9, if you follow these examples, you must get 2 answers here. In between 9 and 10 also you must get 2 answers. 2 plus 2 you must get 4 times there. In between 8 and 10 I am telling. But in between the 8 and 9 we got one answer here. What is the one answer there? 8 o'clock 27 3 by 11 minutes. The one answer already we got in between 8 and 9. And the next one where you are getting exactly on 9 you are getting. Similarly you get only one answer between, you get similarly only one time between 9 and 10. So how many times you are supposed to get? 4 times, but how many times you got already? 1 2 3, we sacrifice 1. So in every 12 hours we sacrifice 1 here in between 8 and 10, and similarly, very similarly, in between 2 and 4 you check yourself this one, because you can easily imagine opposite 9 is 3, you can imagine easily. Here the same thing continues here, 2 and 3 only once you get. On the border 3 you will get 1, and between 3 and 4 also you will get 1. So here also you will get, you are supposed to get 4 times, but you got only 3 times. Here we missed one opportunity, here we missed one more opportunity, overall we missed 2 opportunities. Therefore in every 12 hours we get 22 times. Okay, don't make that mistake. 24, it's a 22 times. And next you can extend naturally. In every 24 hours in a day, 2 hands are right angles. For how many times? 22 plus 22 you will get 44 times. So these are the conclusions for the third model. Okay, so far what I explained is with the model, let me just quickly recap. The first model was together and meeting, that means in the same straight line together. Second model was what? They are in straight line but in opposite direction, right? Third one is what? Right angles, means the separation should be what? 15 minutes, right? So in all the three models, the fundamental, the shortcut technique is same 12 by 11, but imagination, of course the basic is same, but depending on the condition, you have to check these numbers, then you can only simplify. And every model, the conclusions are very important. The first two conclusions were similar, the third one is different. And I will continue with the more models. There are some more models in the class. In the next class, next video lecture, I will explain all those different models. Just stay tuned, just go through them. So it will be a complete package for the topic clocks. So thank you so much.
Dear students, do subscribe the Vyoma Academy channel to get an excellent information, analysis, job notifications and motivational videos. And to get more updates from our channel, click the bell icon.